Hi there! Today I will walk you through the simple steps of checking your Amazon digital credit. Ready to dive in and make the most of your online perks? Then let's get started. First things first, go to your Amazon account. You can do this by visiting their website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the account and list option in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to enter your account settings. Now in your account settings, you will see various options. Now go ahead and look for gift cards and click on it. And this will take you to a dedicated page related to your Amazon gift cards and digital credit. Upon clicking on gift cards, you will be directed to a page displaying your current Amazon digital credit balance. This section provides a comprehensive overview of the funds you have available for digital shopping on Amazon. Now, if you receive promotional credit, take note of any specific usage conditions. You can check this promotional credit balance in the promotional codes or promotion section depending on your account settings. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.